Welcome to Akutra Design Studio. Today, let's talk about something that can completely change how your home feels. Lighting. Because the right light doesn't just brighten a room, it brings it to life. Most people focus on colors, furniture, or decor. But forget that lighting decides how everything actually looks. A beautiful design can feel dull if the light is wrong. So let's fix that. Good lighting has 3 layers. 1. Ambient lighting, your main light source. Think ceiling lights or chandeliers. 2. Task lighting, focused light for work areas like kitchen counters or study desks. 3. Accent lighting, to highlight art, textures, or that one beautiful wall you love. Balance these 3, and even a small room will start feeling premium. In bedrooms, go for warm, dimmable lights. Living rooms, mix ambient and accent lighting to create mood. Kitchens, keep it bright and white, you need clarity there. Bathrooms, don't forget mirror lights, they make a huge difference. Remember, lighting is not just about brightness. It's about emotion. Soft warm tones calm you down. Cool white lights energize you. So think about how you want to feel in each space before choosing your lights. If you design your lighting right, even simple interiors start feeling luxurious. So before your next renovation, plan your lights first, and let design follow. For more design insights, tips, and creative inspiration, stay connected with Akutra Design Studio. And if you found this useful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more.